everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cartoon version of Yoda. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our cartoon Yoda, let's begin with the face. So I'm going to start with the eyes. I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to kind of come down and then over. And then another one here, so it's going to go down and then over. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down and up, and another one's going to go down and then up. I'm going to make a little line that's just going to curve around for the nose, and two little dots in there. Starting here, we're going to make two little lines that come down, with a little line in here for a smile, and then another one here. Starting here, I'm going to make a sad face for the top of the head. Then I'm going to make two long lines that come out for the ears. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and up. And another one's going to go down and then up. Make a line that's going to come over and then it's going to curve in. Same thing here, we're going to go over and then curve in. Make a little line that's going to come down on each side with a little smiley face for the chin. We're going to make a little line that comes down on each side for the eyebrows. And we're going to make a big circle inside of here for the pupils. I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white. And we'll do the same thing here, kind of color in most, leaving just a little bit white. We'll add a little line underneath each eye. I'm also going to add a couple little lines on top with a little line down the middle. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down on each side. And I'm going to make a little line that curves in on each side here. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out and down. And over here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up a little bit higher. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve down and up. And then a little line here, and then a little line here. And a little line here. Right here, we're going to make a little line that goes up, over, and down. And same thing here, up or down, over, and up for a little lightsaber. We're going to make a long, skinny rectangle on top. And put a little bump here for a button. Next, we're going to make a skinnier rectangle here. And then right here, we're going to make a long, rounded shape for the lightsaber. Starting here, we're going to bring this line back. Bring a line down, over, and up. Right here, let's make a line that's going to curve around for a finger. We'll make another one that's going to curve around and then come down. And another one here, it's going to curve around and then come down and connect to here. That way it looks like he's using the force. Right here, I'm going to make a line that goes down and up. And then we'll make a little line that comes back here. We're going to bring this line over and then up. We're going to make two lines that come across with kind of like a diagonal line in the middle. Then we'll make another little line across here. Right here, we're going to make a little line that's going to come down. It's going to go over and up. Same thing here, we're going to go down, come over, and then bring it up. We'll add a little curved line for another toe on each side. Then I'm just going to add a couple little extra lines in here for some details. And a couple little lines in here too. And I'll put another little line right there. And there you go, there is your drawing of a little cartoon Yoda. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.